Welcome to J&J's test video of 9467, a 1990 C4 Corvette, L98 automatic, white with the torch red interior, a little worn out, the carpets are a little faded. That's not too bad. The rest of the car is pretty nice. Runs, drives, got C5 front wheels all around it. Cluster lights up a little bit, but it's dim. Fires right up. This is the amber years. That column, look. Head unit works. Climate control works. See if the window switches work. Got a nice top on it. Not a bad car at all. Let it run a little bit. The odometer shows 64,000 miles. And it doesn't look that bad. It could be. I mean, look how nice the door is. Alright. Check the transmission goes into gear. For 9467, a 1990 C4 Corvette L98 automatic. As always, thank you for watching. Have your pets spayed and neutered.